Today we're proud to serve all of New York with drop-off at our Williamsburg location and citywide pickup and delivery.
I remember details about our customers because I think they really appreciate it. I remember their names, their wash preferences, and I think it just makes their day a little better.
I love that it's reliable, it's quick, everyone's so friendly and helpful, and it's ecological.
It's really rewarding when customers who suffer from allergies or skin sensitivities reach out to us to thank us for using non-toxic products.
Our goal is to take one thing off of somebody's weekly to-do list, save them a bunch of time, exceed their expectations, and make their day.